Searching the Hebrew text from the browse window. For Hebrew searches from the browse window, you have the option of searching for the single form of the word as displayed in your passage, or for every form of the word as it may appear throughout the version you're searching. Place your mouse cursor over a Hebrew word. If you double-click on the word, you'll notice that your search was for every occurrence of only this form of the word, as evidenced in your various search hits. In most cases, we'll wish to search for any possible form of a word in addition to the form as it is displayed in the verse. Our mouse tips show us that the word Bereshit is made up of more than one lemma. That is, more than one word. So we'll need to decide which lemma we wish to search on. We can do so by right-clicking on the word and choosing Search on Lemma. Notice that we have two lemmas displaying there. If we click the Reshit, BibleWork searches for all forms of that lemma. So in most cases, this is the type of search you'll want to conduct when searching on a Hebrew word. A right-click Search on Lemma. In summary, double-click finds any instance of the word as it appears in this verse. Right-click, then Search on Lemma, finds the word as it appears in any form in the version you are searching.